It's really exciting. I did not expect to go all the way to California. Like, it was like talked about how we wanted to, but like when we found that out, I was so excited and like we were all screaming, and it was just, I don't know, to like have it my first tournament and be out there with this team. It's really exciting, and I'm glad to be here.
It is. It's really exciting. I don't think hardly any of us has ever been to LA, nevertheless California. So I think we're very excited, but we're also very aware that we're flying halfway across the country. So we're making sure we're getting our fluids, we're getting rest, we're getting our studies, because I mean it's different driving to Kentucky and flying to LA. So we're excited, we're preparing hard, but we're also making sure we're taking care of ourselves to be ready to be able to do that.
Yeah, I mean, the whole season leads up to this. We kind of say it's like its own individual season, just being in the postseason. But it's going to be awesome, not only being in Los Angeles and having that experience of playing at UCLA, the defending national champions, but just having a goal in mind of wanting to reach that Final Four in Louisville. And this is the first step of that journey. And we're excited for it, and we're ready for it, and we know how much we can accomplish starting this week.
I'm just excited to play different teams and almost a different style of play. So that'll be a cool experience, and I'm excited to like go out there and prove ourselves. And we got a lot to prove, and I think we're ready to do that.
It's very important. We're not looking past San Diego on Friday night. Clearly our goal is to go farther to win a national championship, but we know we have to play one game at a time, one step at a time. So we're focusing on that. I mean, we can't play Saturday night unless we win Friday night. So all our focus right now is on Friday night.
I mean, I think we're going to be focused for sure, and like there's going to be nerves, and I think like playing in the Big Ten has helped us prepare for it, and I mean, at this point, like we're ready to go.
Well, I think playing in the Big Ten, that's what it prepares you for. Having that Friday, Saturday schedule where you have to take it one team at a time, because you're not going to be able to roll over any team in the Big Ten. And having that entire season of having that mentality of having to focus individually on one team at a time just prepares you for this experience, because we have to be a great team in San Diego before we can even think about UCLA. So it's kind of building off of it's exciting because it's a new team that we haven't really played this season, but at the same time we got to just keep doing what we've been doing all season, and we'll be fine.
We worked a little bit on their blocking scheme. We know they're a great defensive team. They run a 6-2. So we've picked up some key things as of yesterday, and in practice today we're going to go a lot more over what they run, what's their offense like, how are we going to defend them, and yesterday it was more how are they going to defend us.